Hello guys and welcome back to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I'll show you how to play Infinite Craft on your mobile browser. Let's dive right in. First, open your browser. This works on both iPhone and Android devices. In the search bar, type Infinite Craft Game website and tap Enter. Click on the official Infinite Craft site to start playing. Once the website loads, you'll see a creative interface where you can drag elements like earth, water, fire, and air. These elements are the building blocks for creating new items. For example, if you combine wind with earth, you'll create dust. From there, you can experiment with other combinations to discover more elements. The possibilities are endless. As you continue exploring, you can create some of the cutest and most surprising elements by mixing and matching. Use your imagination to unlock creative combinations and build an entire world of your own. If you want to save your progress or share creations, some sites let you sign in with an email or social media account. Be sure to check the website's features for extra options. And that's it! You're now ready to enjoy Infinite Craft directly on your mobile browser. Experiment with elements, explore possibilities, and have fun creating unique items. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Tech Tricks tutorial for more fun and creative guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!